You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more confusing names from beauty products, fashion, also, you know, that toilet water in French, for example, stay tuned. I've got videos for you you need to watch. The English pronunciation we're talking about here is perfume, all right? That's British English, perfume. British English has a silent R. The American English pronunciation, US, perfume. Similarly, perfume, American English pronunciation, or perfume. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.